Meet the GamaKay TK75 V2. This keyboard will take your basic setup to buttery smooth. This Pegasus switch is a one-of-a-kind tactile silent switch. Some of the key features are the screen and knob control, remote connection, and of course you've got your USB here. Look at these bright RGB lights. And now the sound test. This is a very unique silent tactile Pegasus switch. It's almost like that feeling you get of raindrops before a big storm. I think this keyboard would be great for shared office spaces, sensory-seeking keyboard enthusiasts, or coders looking for the thought. Are you ready for a new GamaKay?